Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage our Groove messages sent or received in Microsoft Office Groove 2007. Open Groove 2007 and log in with the Groove account. In my previous tutorial, I have shown how to send a Groove message to any Groove account. To manage our Groove messages, come to Options and select Message History. Otherwise, click on Message History icon in the bottom of the launch bar. The message history provides the options to view inbox messages, sent messages, and all messages, and also it will show the invitations we have received but not yet accepted or declined. Here I have few messages. In the message history, we can sort the list by clicking on the column heads. If we select a message, the text of the selected message will appear in the preview window. We can use up and down arrow keys to quickly scan our messages, and also it is showing the invitations. Open an invitation to display it in a respond to invitation window. If we accept or decline the invitation, it gets deleted from the message history. Here I'm selecting accept, and the invitation has removed from message history. But if we close the invitation without accepting or declining, it will remain in the message history. And if an invitee accepts or declines an invitation and includes response message, this response display in the message history as an invitation message. We can see the text of the response in the preview window. From the message history, we can create new messages, reply to the messages, or forwarding existing messages, changing our message list view, and print the messages from the message history. To change our message list view, click on the arrow and select the items from the drop-down list. To create a message, click on create a new message icon, or we can also use Control and shortcut key. To open a message, please select the message first and click on open. It will open the message and show the text in the message. And if you want to reply only to the message senders, click on reply to the selected message sender, and we can also use Control or shortcut key. And here we can type the message and click on send. Then the reply message sent to the selected contact. And we can also reply to the selected message sender and all the message recipients. Select the message and click on the option reply to the selected message sender and recipients. We can also use Control A shortcut key. Same like previous option, we can type the text and click on send. And if you want to forward a message, select the message and click on the option forward the selected message, and we can also use Control W shortcut key. In to field, please enter the name you want to forward this message, and after that please type the text and click on send, and the message will be forwarded to the contact name in the to field. If there are huge number of messages in our message history, and if you want to delete a message, select the message and click on delete one or more selected messages, and we can also use Control D shortcut key. And it will ask for the confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete this message from Cherry? Yes. And the message will be removed from the message history. And we can also print a message from the message history. Select the message and click on print selected message, and we can also use Control P shortcut key, and it will print the message if the system is connected with the printer. But we can print only one message at a time. And in the message history, we have one more important feature. We can search for messages that contain specific text. Select the view in which you want to search for the messages, and after that click on the option find one or more messages with text, and we can also use Control F shortcut key. In the find what field, enter the text we want to find in a message, and we can also select the options if you want to refine the search for case sensitivity or matching the old word. After that click on find next, and it will show the message with the text we have entered. Again click on find next. It will go to the message that having the same text, and we can also go to previous found message by clicking on find previous. Again click on find next. We got the notification you have reached the end. Do you wish to search again? If you want to do it, click on yes, otherwise simply click on no. Like this we can manage our Groove messages sent or received in Microsoft Office Groove 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video to your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.